Edge Pro, the ultra-thin modular tech accessory for modern workflows. The Edge Pro is more than just a phone mount. It's a cutting-edge modular productivity tool designed to streamline your digital workspace. At the heart of this ecosystem is the Edge Pro Core, an ultra-slim magnetic mount with a profile of just 2.5 millimeters, zero point 0.1 inches, making it one of the sleekest and most practical desk companions available today. Initially designed to attach to your laptop, the Edge Pro Core can now be used standalone, magnetically holding your iPhone, Android phone, or even tablets with ease. Whether you're working on the go, in a cafe, or at your office desk, this device brings powerful versatility to your setup. But the real magic happens when you expand it. The Edge Pro Core can be combined with the Edge Pro wireless charger and Edge Pro Light, allowing you to power up your device or illuminate your workspace, all while adjusting the tilt and orientation, portrait or landscape, to suit your viewing needs. Mac users will particularly appreciate its support for exclusive Apple features like continuity camera, using your iPhone as a webcam for your MacBook, and Apple's Sidecar, which extends your display to an iPad. This makes the Edge Pro not just a mount, but a bridge between your devices for seamless multitasking and content creation. If you're tired of cluttered desks and clunky phone stands, the Edge Pro offers a refined, minimalist solution built for today's hybrid lifestyles. Whether you're into productivity, content creation, or simply looking to tidy up your tech, the Edge Pro is the go-to accessory to keep your workflow smart and efficient. Vaultek LifePod, portable biometric security in the palm of your hand. The Vaultek LifePod is a sleek, compact, and highly secure portable safe that's designed for modern users who value both protection and convenience. Whether you're traveling, heading to the range, or simply securing valuables at home or in your car, the LifePod offers a perfect blend of durability, portability, and smart tech. Built from rugged, impact-resistant materials, the LifePod is waterproof, dustproof, and built to endure harsh conditions without compromising what's inside. It's compact enough to fit in a backpack or glove box, yet roomy enough to store essentials like firearms, passports, cash, watches, or electronics. Security is where the LifePod shines. It features a biometric fingerprint scanner for fast, one-touch access, and an integrated digital keypad for PIN-based entry. Whether you prefer touch or code, both options provide quick, secure entry, especially valuable in emergencies. What sets the LifePod apart is its Bluetooth connectivity. Pair it with the Vaultek app on your smartphone to monitor battery life, manage settings, and receive alerts. It's smart security that moves with you. Powering all these features is a rechargeable lithium-ion battery that lasts several months on a single charge. And for added peace of mind, the LifePod includes built-in anti-theft features, such as a reinforced security cable, allowing you to anchor it to fixed objects for theft prevention. Ideal for travelers, outdoor adventurers, firearm owners, or anyone needing secure, portable storage, the Vaultek LifePod is more than a safe. It's smart, mobile protection designed for today's lifestyle. Whether you're storing valuables on the go or at home, this compact vault gives you security, tech, and peace of mind, all in one. WheelBot, the future of tires and urban mobility. Meet WheelBot, an innovative concept by Korean tire and technology giant Hankook, aiming to revolutionize the way vehicles move and park. At its core, WheelBot is a 360-degree omnidirectional tire system that combines robotics with cutting-edge tire technology to enable vehicles to move sideways, diagonally, or spin in place, unlocking movement once thought impossible in traditional vehicles. Imagine struggling with tight, parallel parking in a crowded city. With WheelBot, there's no need to twist your steering wheel back and forth. Instead, your car can simply slide sideways into a parking space, making everyday driving significantly less stressful and more efficient. This type of maneuverability could also enhance navigation in narrow alleys, multi-level garages, and automated delivery scenarios. WheelBot represents Hankook's first major leap into smart urban mobility, merging AI, robotics, and tire dynamics into one seamless system. It's part of the company's long-term vision to urbanize mobility and respond to evolving transportation challenges with modular, intelligent solutions. The technology integrates independent drive modules within each wheel, allowing individual control and movement coordination, similar to robotics platforms. Whether it's for autonomous cars, delivery bots, or future public transit, WheelBot could become a cornerstone in next-gen transport design. Though still in development, Hankook has announced that WheelBot is fully operational and testable, suggesting commercial applications may not be far off. It's more than just a smart tire. It's a glimpse into a future where vehicles adapt to cities, not the other way around. With WheelBot, Hankook is boldly steering the automotive industry toward a smarter, more flexible future. Gravastar Bluetooth speaker, futuristic sound with sci-fi style. The Gravastar Bluetooth speaker is far more than just an audio device. It's a statement piece that combines cutting-edge sound with robotic, sci-fi inspired design. Developed by Gravastar, a company known for fusing technology with futuristic aesthetics, this speaker is built for those who want both performance and presence in their tech. At first glance, the Gravastar looks like something pulled from a cyberpunk movie set. With a robotic shell, exposed screws, metallic accents, and multicolor LED lighting, it instantly grabs attention. Its spider-like, adjustable legs allow for custom positioning, not just for style, but to direct sound more effectively based on your space. But the Gravastar isn't just about looks. It delivers powerful, high-fidelity sound, thanks to its full-range speakers and deep bass drivers, making it ideal for music, movies, or gaming. Whether you're streaming wirelessly via Bluetooth or using a wired connection, the audio quality remains crisp and immersive. Built-in controls let you adjust volume, playback, and lighting modes directly from the unit. And because it's portable, you can take it with you to parties, gaming setups, or even use it as a centerpiece in your home decor. The durability is also impressive. Made with a solid zinc alloy shell, the Gravastar speaker feels as strong as it looks. Its robust build ensures longevity, even with frequent use. Whether you're an audiophile, gamer, or just love unique gadgets, the Gravastar Bluetooth speaker offers a bold blend of futuristic design and modern sound. It's more than a speaker, it's a conversation starter, a collectible, and a piece of tech art that elevates your listening experience. SwitchBot, simple smart home automation for everyone. SwitchBot is redefining home automation with ultra-simple plug-and-play smart devices designed for everyday convenience. One of its most innovative offerings is the SwitchBot Bot, a tiny robotic button pusher that lets you automate virtually any traditional switch or button without needing to rewire or replace anything. This little gadget attaches directly to the surface next to your light switch, coffee maker, or even your AC unit, and mechanically presses the button when commanded through the SwitchBot app or a voice assistant like Alexa, Google Assistant, or Siri. It's an ideal solution for renters, travelers, or anyone who wants smart control without making permanent changes. Another standout in the lineup is the SwitchBot Curtain, which transforms your regular curtains into smart ones. Simply clip it onto the curtain rod or rail, and you can open or close your curtains remotely, on a schedule, or even based on sunlight using the optional light sensor. It's compatible with most curtain types, U-rail, I-rail, or rods, and supports automation routines to help with energy savings and comfort. SwitchBot products are modular and scalable, meaning you can start with just one device and expand over time. With add-ons like the SwitchBot Hub, your devices can be controlled from anywhere in the world and integrated into wider smart ecosystems. Whether you're upgrading your home for energy efficiency, security, or just plain laziness, no judgment. SwitchBot offers a quick, affordable entry into smart living. With no complex setup, SwitchBot devices are perfect for anyone looking to automate daily routines with minimal effort and maximum satisfaction. Survivor Filter. Turn any stream into safe drinking water anywhere. When you're exploring the outdoors, access to clean drinking water can be a serious challenge. Carrying heavy water bottles is impractical, and natural sources like rivers or lakes aren't always safe. That's where the Survivor Filter steps in. A compact, ultra-reliable device designed to keep you hydrated without the risk. Shaped like a slim tube, the Survivor Filter lets you drink directly from rivers, lakes, or puddles. But it's not just about convenience, it's about safety. As the water passes through, it's purified in three powerful stages. First, a physical filter removes large debris like dirt and sediment. Then, a microbiological filter kills up to 99% of harmful bacteria and germs, protecting you from waterborne illnesses. Finally, a carbon filter eliminates heavy metals, chemical contaminants, and bad odors, delivering fresh, clean-tasting water with every sip. Whether you're hiking, camping, or preparing an emergency kit, this lightweight and portable purifier is a game changer. No batteries, no bulky gear, just a simple, fast way to turn almost any natural water into something safe to drink. And the best part? The Survivor filter is just $30, making it an affordable and essential tool for outdoor enthusiasts, travelers, and preppers alike. Stay safe, stay hydrated. With the Survivor filter, clean water is always within reach, no matter where your adventure takes you. Venty Portable Fan, your ultimate on-the-go cooling solution. The Venty Portable Fan is more than just a breeze. It's a reliable, multifunctional travel essential built for adventure and everyday use. Compact and cleverly designed, this wireless fan measures just 9 by 20 centimeters and weighs a little over 1 kilogram, making it ideal for hikes, beach days, camping trips, or even your daily commute. Powered by a massive 16,000 milliamp hour battery, the Venty Fan runs for up to 48 hours on a single charge. But that's not all. This battery doubles as a power bank, equipped with USB and USB-C ports, so you can charge your smartphone or gadgets while staying cool. It offers 4 adjustable speed levels and a 180-degree rotation range, ensuring customizable airflow wherever you go. For added convenience, it includes a remote control with a 10-meter range, letting you adjust settings without moving an inch. To top it off, Venty adds a touch of style and comfort with 3-tone warm ambient lighting, creating a cozy vibe whether you're in a tent or a hotel room. It even comes with a durable travel case to keep everything organized and protected on the move. Available for just $90, the Venty Portable Fan is the perfect blend of functionality, portability, and thoughtful design. Whether you're traveling or working from a patio, this all-in-one gadget keeps you cool, connected, and illuminated. Stay breezy, stay charged with Venty. Pea Sheller Handy, the quick and easy way to shell like a pro. The Pea Sheller Handy is a compact, time-saving tool designed to make shelling peas simple, fast, and mess-free. Whether you're prepping a quick dinner or processing fresh peas from your garden, this handy device takes the effort out of the task. Using it is easy. Just place a pea pod between the shelling cylinders and turn the handle a few times. The peas separate smoothly while the shells collect neatly in the built-in reservoir. No scattered mess or hand fatigue. This tool isn't just functional, it's also user-friendly. It features a powerful vacuum suction knob that quickly attaches the sheller to any smooth working surface. This keeps the device stable and secure while you turn the handle, making the whole process safer and easier. Cleaning is just as simple. A quick wipe with a damp cloth is all it takes to get it ready for the next use. No complicated disassembly or harsh scrubbing needed. The Pea Sheller Handy is also incredibly versatile. It's ideal for any vegetable that needs shelling or stripping, not just peas. From garden to table, it's a great companion for fresh produce lovers. For the best results, always make sure the pea pods are slightly wet. This helps the shells peel off more easily during the process. Compact, efficient, and easy to use, the Pea Sheller Handy is a must-have tool for any kitchen that values both speed and simplicity. Once you try it, you'll wonder how you ever shelled peas by hand. Starfrit Apple Peeler. Peel, core, and slice apples in seconds. The Starfrit Apple Peeler is a convenient, time-saving kitchen gadget that effortlessly peels, cores, and slices apples in one smooth motion. Designed for ease and efficiency, it's perfect for home bakers, snack lovers, and anyone who enjoys fresh apples without the fuss. At the heart of this tool is a spring-loaded arm that automatically adapts to apples of various shapes and sizes. This feature ensures a clean, even peel every time, no matter the variety. Built with stainless steel blades and a spike holder, the Apple Peeler guarantees long-lasting performance. The included plastic blade protectors ensure safety and help extend the life of the cutting parts. It also comes with 2 blades, a corer slicer, a handy ejector to remove the peeled fruit, and an instruction manual with a recipe booklet to help you get started. The suction grip feet on the base provide maximum stability during use, so the tool stays firmly in place on your countertop as you turn the handle. This makes the process both smooth and safe. Cleaning is simple. Just hand wash with a wet soapy cloth. It's designed to be low maintenance while delivering high performance. Whether you're prepping apples for pies, salads, snacks, or preserves, the Starfrit apple peeler makes the job fast, easy, and mess-free. With its sleek red design, it adds a pop of color to your kitchen while saving you serious prep time. Once you try it, peeling apples by hand will be a thing of the past.